Hi. In this video, we will quickly tell you about Mixo Small Business. Mixo has all the tools you need to launch and grow your product. With our AI-powered startup builder, entrepreneurs can easily launch and assess their ideas for products or services. Mixo makes it easy to build a website. Simply enter your business description, and our AI will create the ideal one for you. Its editor will also help you refine your content and improve its SEO. What's included in every paid plan? Integrated AI. Website hosting included. No-code site editor. Customizable site URL. Free SSL certificate. Mobile-first responsive design. Access to free stock images. Embed video content. SEO. Big numbers. A few reasons why entrepreneurs, creators, and our awesome partners love Mixo. 100K creators. 500K ideas generated. 100K sites launched. 450K subscribers. Choose a plan. Basic, $7 at month. Growth site, $15 at month. Pro, $29 at month. Thank you. I hope that information helps. If you would like to learn more about that software for your business, please click on the link in the description of this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you, and have a great day. Bye.